Disabling two-factor authentication on Discord can be done through the app or website. Follow these steps to successfully turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface to access User Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Security tab. This section contains options related to your account security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor Authentication. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your authentication code. After entering the code, you will see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm the change. Once you have disabled two-factor authentication, make sure to confirm the changes if prompted. You may also want to review your account security settings to ensure everything is in order. After following these steps, two-factor authentication will be successfully disabled on your Discord account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.